Hello everybody, this is Mr. Davidson. I'm sitting in the computer lab, room 207, to give you an idea of how you can access the Zoom application and get to it using the webcam on the student computers. First things first, you need to make sure that you have logged into MavZone so you can see all of these applications, including the D2L application where you get to your classes, and also the Zoom application where you can join Zoom meetings. So once you've done that, you want to go to D2L, which is where you will access your classes. And then you'll go up to the waffle up here at the top. And that's where you access your classes, just to review. Once you've accessed 090, in the announcements, I have placed the meeting code and the passcode in an announcement. An easy way to join a Zoom meeting is to copy that meeting code. Then what you would do is you could go back to the home page, to MavZone, and select Zoom. At this point you have three options: join or host or sign in. What you can do quite easily is to select join and then just copy and paste that meeting number into join a meeting. Now, of course, you'll have to have registered for this previously because this is a recurring meeting, and it's easy to do. Your first name, your last name, your email address, you confirm it, and you can say, of course, I'm not a robot. Now, alternatively, in your email, you should have already registered for this, but if you can't, this is just the way to do it. So you'll go ahead and do that, and once you're in the Zoom meeting, you look up here at the top of the computer. At the top of the computer, there's a little pop-up, and there's a webcam right there. So once you've joined the Zoom meeting, you'll be able to see me, and I'll be able to see you once you're registered. Then, at the bottom of the computer, on the side, there are two holes where you put your earbuds. And that's how we can communicate. That's how you can hear without bothering other people. And that's how we can communicate back and forth. All right? Make sure your volume's up. And that's the way you access a Zoom meeting on a computer in room 207 at CMU Montrose. If you have any questions, let me know, and we'll help you out as we go down the road. Have a good day.